In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset a forgotten Amazon password. Losing access to your account can be a frustrating experience, but fear not, as I'm here to guide you through the process of recovering it. With these simple steps, we'll have you back into your account in no time. First things first, you'll want to head to the Amazon login page. This is where all the magic happens, so open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Once you're there, look toward the upper right corner of the screen and you'll see an option labeled Sign In. Go ahead and click on that to proceed. Now you'll need to enter the email address or mobile number associated with your Amazon account. This is important because it's how Amazon identifies you. Type in your details carefully, and once you've done that, you'll see a button labeled Continue. Click on that to move to the next step. At this point, since you've forgotten your password, you need to find the link that says Forgot Password. This will take you to another page dedicated to account recovery. Once there, you'll be prompted to enter your email address or phone number again. Do that and click Continue once more. The next step involves verifying your identity. Amazon will send you a one-time password or OTP to your registered email or mobile number. Check your inbox or messages for that code. Once you receive it, enter the OTP in the designated field on the Amazon page. This step is crucial for security, ensuring that you are indeed the account holder. After verifying your identity, it's time to create a new password. You'll be asked to enter and confirm a new password for your Amazon account. Choose something that's at least 8 characters long, combining both numbers and letters for a robust password. Remember, it's vital to use a password that isn't similar to any you've used with Amazon previously. This enhances your account security. When you're satisfied with your new password choice, go ahead and save the changes. With a new password set up, you're all set to sign in. Use your newly created password to access your account, and don't forget to jot it down in a secure place. So that's it. You're back into your Amazon account without a hitch. Remember, keeping track of your passwords or using a password manager can help avoid this situation in the future. I hope this guide has been helpful to you. Thanks for watching, and if you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.